online class, last as beginning, all of you learn rotational spectra, vibrational spectra, and so on. So today all of you learn anharmonic oscillator. Anharmonic oscillator. All of you look here. Harmonic oscillator, you know that vibrational spectroscopy, we are using diatomic molecules. IR radiation falls on these molecules. So what happens? The molecules are absorb this energy and these molecules are vibrate and they are having equal distance, vibrating in a equal distance. Meaning of harmonic oscillator, meaning of in diatomic molecules, you are apply selection rule. Delta V is equal to plus minus 1. Vibrational energy level equal distance. Diatomic molecular IR radiation जे टाकला असता, distortion bond हा smaller असतो. Distortion bond कसा असतो? Smaller असतो. So restoring force मुळे restoring force acting on these bonds strong. So restoring force of diatomic molecules is directly proportional to displacement x. Keep on your mind, if you take diatomic molecule, IR radiation falls, what happens? IR radiation, the equidistance is formed, dipole moment is permanent, restoring force is strong, and bond is strong. So you are using restoring force is directly proportional to displacement. So you are using diatomic molecules. A diatomic harmonic oscillator are those molecules which satisfy the selection rule delta V is equal to plus minus 1 and where the vibrational energy levels are equidistant. Equal distance ni vibrational energy vibrate hote. In such molecules, small amount of energy is absorbed and his distortion of bond is smaller. Absorb झाल्यानंतर bond हा कसा आहे? Smaller आहे. In another words, restoring force acting on the bond stronger. The restoring force harmonic oscillator is directly proportional to displacement. The energy of the harmonic oscillator according to the wave mechanics is given by the harmonic oscillator ची एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होते आणि ती एनर्जी कशी असेल? EV is equal to, आवाज येतो ना माझा? हॅलो, V plus 1/2 HC omega bar. स्नेहल, आवाज येतोय ना?
हो येतोय.
अच्छा. So V is vibrational quantum number and 1/2 constant, H is Planck constant and C is velocity constant. Omega bar is frequency of vibration of harmonic oscillator of a small displacement. Okay, so this is a harmonic oscillator. नंतर त्याच मॉलिक्युलर वर आपण काय आयर ऍडिशन टाकले. ओके, त्या मॉलिक्युल वर आयर ऍडिशन टाकल्यानंतर काही मॉलिक्युल्स काय असतात? जास्त अमाऊंट ऑफ एनर्जी काय करतात? ऍब्सॉर्ब करतात. केला त्याचा परिणाम काय होतो? एम्प्लिट्यूड ऑफ द ऑसिलेशन इन्क्रीज होतं. त्या मॉलिक्युलचं एम्प्लिट्यूड कसं होतं? इन्क्रीज होतं. त्याचा परिणाम काय होतो? रेस्टोरिंग फोर्स वीक होतो. रेस्टोरिंग फोर्स त्या मॉलिक्युल्स मधला कसा होतो? वीक होतो आणि मॉलिक्युल्स अवे फ्रॉम इच अदर, एकमेकापासून मॉलिक्युल्स कसे जातात? दूर जातात. ह्या ऑसिलेशनला अनहार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर म्हणतात. अनहार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर मोशन म्हणतात. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड? येस, एनीबडी? ओके, येस. So you plotting the graph, potential energy versus distance. Dotted line हा पॅराबोलिक कर्व म्हणजे हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटरचं दाखवलंय. इक्वी डिस्टन्स v is equal to 0, v is equal to 1, v is equal to 2, v is equal to 3. इक्वी डिस्टन्स आहे पॅराबोलिक कर्वचं. अनहार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटरचा डिस्टन्स हा वाढत गेलेला आहे बघा, अवे फ्रॉम इच अदर. सो दिस इज ए अनहार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर. v is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Again I am repeating. The potential energy curve for this subsystem is a true parabolic in shape. Hence, dissociation of molecules difficult, but practice molecule does not always vibrate as simple harmonic oscillator, but molecules absorb large amount of energy. काय molecules large amount of energy absorb करतात. Hence, amplitude of the oscillation increasing. Amplitude कसं होतं त्याचं increase होतो. As a result, restoring force becomes weaker. Restoring force कसा होतो weak होतो. And atoms molecules away may fall apart. एकमेकापासून दूर जातात. Such a real oscillator is called anharmonic oscillator. The energy level of also no longer equally no longer होत नाही. As they are grow closer and V increases. So total energy of these molecules, harmonic and anharmonic oscillator, modified the anharmonic oscillator by including one additional term, EV is equal to V plus 1/2. This is a anharmonic oscillator. SC omega bar minus A. A is nothing but anharmonic factor. पहला harmonic factor energy, दूसरी anharmonic factor energy. A is called anharmonicity factor. तो मॉलिक्युल्स एक जास्त मॉलिक्युल्स ऍब्सॉर्ब होतात, त्यामुळे अनहार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर हे तयार होतं आणि टोटल एनर्जी दोघांची बेरीज म्हणजे अनहार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर. सो A is called anharmonicity factor. So A व्हॅल्यू त्यांनी फाइंड आउट केलेली आहे. A is equal to V upon 1/2 bracket square SC omega bar X. XC omega bar X. X is anharmonicity constant. As shown in figure, potential energy versus distance. This is a dotted line parabolic curve harmonic oscillator. It is a regular line, regular anharmonic oscillator. Both are combined to each other. His equation first and second, EV is equal to V plus 1/2. हे प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक आहे, 1/2च घ्यायचा आहे फक्त, स्क्वेअर नाही घ्यायचा. ओके. SC ओमेगा बार V plus 1/2. दुसरं इक्वेशन SC ओमेगा बार X. इक्वेशन हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर अनहार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर. आता त्या मॉलिक्युलची फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपण फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. So first overtone, second overtone and anharmonic oscillator. क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो. Explain derived expression for frequency for fundamental first and second overtone band for anharmonic oscillator. 7 मार्काला किंवा 5 मार्काला क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो. एवढं सगळं तुम्हाला लिहावं लागेल. The vibration energy of anharmonic oscillator is given by EV is equal to V plus 1/2. हे स्क्वेअर हे नाहीये, तिला डॅश करा. SC ओमेगा बार minus V plus 1/2 square SC omega bar X. V is vibrational quantum number. X is anharmonicity constant. Anharmonic molecules undergo vibration for which is delta V is equal to plus minus 2 plus minus 3. First vibration transition. V is equal to 0 to V is equal to 1. Energy absorbed is given by, बघा 0 to 1 हे फर्स्ट ओव्हरटोन आहे, तर डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू E1 मायनस E0. सो V is equal to 0 घातला, V plus 1/2. म्हणजे इथं 1 E1 हा E2 आहे, E0 आहे. 1 plus 1 half SC omega bar minus 1 half 1 plus 1 half bracket square SC omega bar X bracket complete. That term is E1 minus E0 V plus 1 half SC omega. हा क्या लिखेला रोजी? चिन्ह क्या है? सीधा करते हो सीधा. SC omega bar waiting 3 room. Huh? Okay. Absorb. बघा 1 plus 1 half ln ला 2 1 2 plus 1 3 by 2 SC omega bar असं लिहिलं. 1 plus 1 half bracket square म्हणजे किती 3 by 2 bracket square म्हणजेच minus 9 by 4 SC omega bar X. ओके ब्रॅकेट कम्प्लीट. नेक्स्ट वन V ची व्हॅल्यू काय केली 0 घेतली 0 plus 1 half SC omega bar minus 0 plus 1 half bracket square SC omega bar X. 0 plus 1 half 1 half SC omega bar plus 1 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 half bracket square म्हणजेच 1 half त्याचा स्क्वेअर किती आला 1 by 4 SC omega bar X. ओके आता बघा 3 by 2 SC omega bar आणि 1 by 2 SC omega bar हे कॉमन टर्म आहे ना म्हणजेच किती येईल SC omega bar 1 half म्हणजे 2 by 2 SC omega bar 9 by 4 1 by 4 8 by 4 SC omega bar. SC omega bar is constant. The remaining term 1 minus twice. 1 minus twice. So the wave number of the absorbed radiation is given as wave number of absorbed radiation is given as delta V is equal to H nu AB is equal to, you know that E is equal to H nu, amount of quantum of energy absorbed and evolved. So C is equal to lambda into nu. C is equal to lambda into nu. So nu equal to C upon lambda. So put the value of delta V is equal to H nu AB, HC nu bar AB is equal to SC omega bar 1 minus twice X. 1 minus twice X. So that one SC going toward that one side, SC cancel. Remaining term is nu AB is equal to omega bar 1 minus twice X. That one equation is known as vibrational band produced due to transition from 0 to V is equal to 0 to V is equal to 1 called fundamental bond or first harmonic bond. All of you understand? Yes, anybody?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Next one, ह्याला काय म्हणतात first harmonic bond. You are putting second for vibrational quantum number V is equal to 0 to V is equal to 2 is V is equal to 2. V is equal to second term energy absorbed by the given by delta V is equal to E2 minus E0 म्हणजे दुसरेकडून फर्स्टला. So you put the value of E2 minus E0. E2 ची किंमत घाला या इक्वेशन मध्ये 2 plus 1 half SC omega bar plus 2 plus 1 half bracket square SC omega bar x bracket complete minus 1 ची किंमत घाला E0 ची 0 plus 1 half SC omega bar 0 plus 1 half price SC omega bar x bracket complete. आता 2 plus 1 half is equal to LMC आलं 2 3 by 2 SC omega bar plus minus 2 plus 1 half LMC is 2. So you are writing in form of 2 plus 3 by 2 omega square bracket square 9 by 4 SC omega bar x minus 0 plus 1 half SC omega bar same way minus 1 upon 2 bracket square twice SC omega bar. Okay. So rearranging this equation, SC omega bar is common. So 1 minus 5/6 I am directly writing. So nu bar AB is equal to twice omega bar 1 minus 5/6. This is equation number 2. The vibration transition V is equal to 0 to V is equal to 3. The energy absorbed is given by the second Orton bond. All of you learn. So V is equal to 3. Delta V is equal to E3 minus E0. E3 की value 3 plus 1 half SC omega bar minus 3 plus 1 half SC omega bar x bracket square minus 0 plus 1 half SC omega bar 0 plus 1 half bracket square SC omega bar x. बघा 3 by 3 plus 1 half 2 1 by 2 LMC is 2. Okay, 2. So therefore you are writing in form of 3 plus 1 half LMC is 2. Beta 2 minutes. 3 plus 1 half 7 by 2 SC omega bar 7 by 2 SC omega bar x bracket square 0 1 half SC omega bar minus 0 plus 1 half bracket square 1 by 4 SC omega bar x. Rearranging this equation, I am directly writing delta V is equal to thrice SC omega 1 minus 4x. Nu AB is equal to thrice omega bar 1 minus 4x. This is equation number 3. The vibrational band produced is called second overtone or third harmonic bond. All of you understand? Observe that frequency of the spectral line
मॅम म्यूट केला हो. मॅडम आवाज नाही येत, म्यूट केला हो तुम्ही.
आवाज नाही येत तुमचा.
तुम्ही म्यूट केलात.
हा आता आला.
आला.
Okay. It is observed that frequency of the specific lines, fundamental first overtone, second overtones are the proportion omega bar 1 minus twice x, 2 omega bar 1 minus thrice x, 3 omega bar 1 minus 4x. Since value of anharmonic constant x very small, hence frequency is given by proportion omega bar raised to 2 omega bar raised to 3 omega 1 raised to 2 raised to 3. And fundamental band and overtones anharmonic oscillator, each different transition leads to separate line spectrum. Fundamental band and overtones anharmonic oscillator, each different transitions leads to a separate line spectrum. First is the spectrum. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. The spectral line appearing due to transition V is equal to 0 to V is equal to 1 is called fundamental band. The transition V is equal to 0 to V is equal to 2 gives the line called first overtone second harmonic bond, anharmonic oscillator. And third, V is equal to 0 to V is equal to 3 produces a spectral line called second overtone bond and third anharmonic. The term overtone is used in general sense to apply to any multiple of given fundamental frequency. Most of overtones are found in near IR regions and absorption weaker than fundamental. In this way, today all of you learn anharmonic oscillator. Anharmonic oscillator, diatomic molecules, harmonic oscillator. In a harmonic oscillator, IR addition falls on these diatomic molecules. Distortion bond is smaller. Restoring force acting is very strong. So restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement. So formula is V is equal to plus 1/2 SC. Next one, anharmonic oscillator. The molecules, some molecules having absorb large amount of energy and the amplitude of oscillation is increases. Amplitude of the oscillation is increases. So restoring force is very weak and atoms move away from apart to each other, and therefore this oscillation is known as anharmonic oscillator. Harmonic oscillator, anharmonic oscillator combine to each other due to formation of formula EV is equal to V plus 1/2 SC omega bar minus A. In this way, all of you learn fundamental band, first overtone, second overtone. Okay. Next one, I am just to start. Wait 2 minutes. उधर दूसरा लेने का मेरे को क्या करूं? I am take Raman spectra. Wait 1 minute. All right. Okay. I take new point. Raman spectroscopy. क्या रहे हैं? Today I take new point Raman spectroscopy. All of you look here. At the beginning, all of you learn vibrational spectra, rotational spectra, and next point is all of you learn Raman spectroscopy. In this Raman spectroscopy, therefore, next one, next one, at a beginning, a rotational spectroscopy or infrared spectroscopy deals with absorption of radiation, deals with, it contrasts to this study of Raman spectroscopy involves scattering of radiation. Raman spectroscopy is totally related to scattering of radiation. Scattering म्हणजे एकापेक्षा लाईट फॉल होणे किंवा स्कॅटर होणे. Okay. The Raman spectroscopy involves radiation, scattering of radiation. In 1928, Professor C.V. Raman discovered that when light of the definite frequency is passed through a gas, liquid or solid and the scattered light is absorbed at right angle to that incident light, most of the scattered light, 99%, has same frequency as that of incident light. Then it is known as Rayleigh scattering. All of you understand? Raman spectroscopy C.V. Raman is discovered in 1928. When light is definite frequency is passed through a gas, liquid or solid, and scattered light is observed at, बघा हा काय आहे तुमचा मॅटर आहे, त्याच्यावर इन्सिडेंट लाईट फॉल केल्यानंतर ती लाईट काय होते, स्कॅटर होते, ऍब्सॉर्ब होऊन पुन्हा ती स्कॅटर होते. इन्सिडेंट लाईटची फ्रिक्वेन्सी आणि स्कॅटर्ड लाईटची 99% कशी असते, सेम असते, आणि 1% आहे ती लाईट कमी किंवा जास्त असते. हे फिनॉमिना कोणी दाखवलं, रामनने दाखवलं. त्याला म्हणतात रामन रॅलिक स्कॅटरिंग. त्याला काय म्हणतात, रॅलिक स्कॅटरिंग. Again I am repeating, Raman spectroscopy involves scattering of radiation. In 1928, Professor C.V. Raman discovered that when light of definite frequency is passed through a gas, liquid, solid, and scattered light is observed at right angle to incident light, most of the scattered light, 99%, has same frequency as that of incident light, is known as Rayleigh scattering. All of you know that. Incident radiation is nu I. Frequency of incident radiation. बोलू नका. Nu S is scattered light. 99% is same. This scattering is known as Rayleigh scattering. Nu I is equal to nu S, Rayleigh scattering. 1% of scattered light, either frequency lower or higher. 1% ची फ्रिक्वेन्सी कशी असते, कमी किंवा जास्त असते. First, 1% scattered light has either frequency lower or higher. Incident light falls on these molecules, scattering light. So therefore, the longer wavelength, scatter light of wavelength is less than incident light. Scattering light ची wavelength कशी आहे, 3 आहे, आणि incident light ची किती आहे, 5 आहे. So therefore 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This is a positive. That line is known as Stokes line. That line is known as Stokes line. Second condition, incident light falls on this matter. Scatter light is far. So therefore shorter wavelength. त्यांची wavelength कशी असते? Shorter. So mu s is 6, mu I is 5. So 5 minus 6 is equal to -1. So this line is known as anti-Stokes line. This line is known as anti-Stokes line. So mu s is equal to mu I. This line is known as Raman frequency or Raman shift. All of you understand? Raman frequency or Raman shift. As shown in figure, so Raman lines, Stokes lines as well as anti-Stokes lines. Stokes lines has positive, anti-Stokes lines is negative. So therefore, this is Raman's Rayleigh scattering. Incident light is equal to scattering light. Stokes lines. So therefore, the Stokes lines longer wavelength and mu s is less than mu I. Scattering light is less than mu I. So this is a positive line. This is a negative line. Okay. So systematic diagram in Raman spectrum in this way. So Raman shift accordingly. Raman shift generally lies between the range 100 cm³ to 400 cm³. इतकं incident light ची wavelength त्याच्यावर पाडल्यानंतर हे तुम्हाला देतात. Next one. All of you understand Raman spectra? Anybody? Yes, आवाज येतोय?
हा.
अच्छा. हाँ. Okay. In this way, today only I am give information about Raman spectra. So next time ला basic theory by means Raman spectroscopy ची बेसिक क्वांटम थिअरी काय सांगणार, नंतर मग म्युच्युअल they are having 3 to 4 points, and next one comparison between mutual study of Raman spectra of IR radiation as well as Raman lines for different molecules. All of you learn. Okay, thank you. Snap mark. Get the student. जाऊ नका, थांबा. Okay, 21 students are present. Am I right? Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
हा, आता फक्त 5 मिनिट राहिले.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am Liu. Okay, thank you.
Welcome, madam.
Okay. Thank you.